Hello and welcome. Today I am coming on to do another layout for Scraptember. Y'all, it has been a day here in Camping World. So, we have started our descent down to the lower 48, and some of the roads have not been very friendly to us, and so we've had some issues. And so I'm a little bit behind my own personal schedule. The great part about personal schedules is I get to set them. Who am I? I am Karen. I am the everything behind a little calendar here on YouTube, on Facebook, and on Instagram. And I am telling you, I am glad for this diversion. I need it. So, today, our prompt was hearts. And y'all, look at this cut file. Isn't it gorgeous? And I just forgot who created it. Yeah, we'll just chalk that up to the fact that my brain is exhausted from troubleshooting. However, I will link it down below. I really like this. I'm not even going to guess. I was going to guess, and then I'm like, nope, because I don't want to be wrong. Let's talk about the photos that we're going to be doing. These are Rivy. They are from her first year of life. So, River turned 1 on September 1st. While we were on our trip, and I pulled some of my favorite photos of her from the very, very beginning. She loves to do nothing but cuddle and get up in your lap. She is the funniest Springer that I have ever been around, and we've had 3 in our family. River is definitely her own unique little personality. She jumps around. She actually spins. Like, she hops in circles. Y'all, I try to get videos of it, but as soon as I get the camera out, the girl quits. I'm like, come on now. I need other people to see this. But from the minute that we got her, her favorite thing to do is curl up in a lap and go to sleep. And it's just, it settles her. She loves it. She still sleeps with us, so that's kind of interesting. Our other dogs, even though they started out with us in the bed as puppies, quickly got very hot and had to get out of the bed. So, she is a little bit on the small side as Springers go. You can see here, this is River, and this is Riley. Now, Riley is a little bit big for a Springer Spaniel, but River was probably about 10 months in this picture, and she's not really grown a whole lot since then. She's put on a few pounds. I want to say here she was about 25 pounds, and she's right at about 29 or 30 pounds now. So she really hasn't grown that much since that photo, but she is the sweetest puppy, and when you need puppy love, she is right there to give it to you. So we're going to use those photos, and we are going to use the theme of hearts and this cut file. And we're going to make a layout. Normally, I have an idea of where I want to go. And y'all, other than knowing I want to get all or as many of these photos as I can across my layout, I'm kind of thinking maybe because of size, it's going to end up being something kind of like that. But I'm not real sure where I'm going. I am going to use Hip Kit Club's, I think this was February's kit. I am loving this paper. I think it looks fantastic under my cut file. And we have this one that kind of has this little chevron dot and heart. And so it kind of also goes with the theme. So I'm really liking them both together too. And then I pulled out these 2 as well. I love this wood grain. We may do some fussy cutting of it. It would be cute. But then the back is this really pretty blue. And then you have this really pretty blue with the little, I don't know, mermaid scales, fish scales. And then there's a pretty flower. So, I'm not 100% sure where we're going. So, that said, we are going to cut the mic off, speed up the video, and we are going to make a layout. Not sure what it's going to look like yet, but hang out. We'll find out together. Be back in a second. And here is our finished layout. I really like the direction this one ended up taking. Like I said at the very beginning, I had no idea where I was going with it. But here it is. I knew that I wanted all of the pictures from her first year on her birthday girl layout. So I will have close-ups following this video. I want to thank you for joining me today as we put together another Scraptember layout. Make sure that you check out the playlist down below and see what else has been done this month. If you are not a follower, I would love to have you join us here on the channel as we do all the scrappy things. Also, if you would take just a quick second and hit that like button, it really, really helps me out. It helps YouTube know that you liked what you saw and that you think others might like it too. And it helps others find me here on the Little Kinder YouTube channel. So my friends, until we are together again, go make some memories. Bye-bye.